Hey guys, it's Catherine, and this is what my week looked like for December 10th through December 16th, 2018. Before I get started showing you how I do all of this in Procreate, I just wanted to make a couple of quick announcements. The first is that I have one more video just like this where it's going to be a screen recording of everything, and then after that I'm going to be changing the format of these videos so you'll actually be able to see my hands, so you'll be able to see more of what I'm doing on my iPad when I decorate my planner for the week. The second is that I'm so far behind on uploading these Plan With Me videos every week, and I intend to upload them within a few days of completing the pages. So I will be uploading a few Plan With Me videos this week for my weekly spreads, and then after that it will revert back to once a week and it will be more current. Anyway, those are my announcements. If you want to see how I got all of this filled in Procreate, stay tuned. So first I pull up Procreate and then I bring in my calendar for the week. I decide to go with the 4th weekly layout from the Truly Yours planner. So then I bring in a sticker set. This set is from HT Planning and I believe it's called Tinsel, and I just liked it because it featured a bunch of really bright colors. So then I bring in a word sticker set that comes with the Truly Yours planner, and for this set I just use the December sticker, and then I go to the bottom and I hide the boxes on the bottom, and then I place that December sticker along the bottom and I just stretch it to fit the whole page. And then using a clipping mask, I change the color of the December sticker to pink. So then I bring in another word sticker set that comes with the Truly Yours planner, and for this set I use all of the days. So I'm duplicating those now, and then I size them down and then I place those above the boxes. So then I bring in a sticker set from J. Wilder Designs. This was her December kit, and I start duplicating her candy cane numbers to use for the dates. So I'm just duplicating the ones that I need. And then unfortunately my iPad stopped recording and didn't save the video, so I didn't get to show how I pieced all those numbers together. So then I changed my daily headers to green. And then unfortunately, again, my iPad stopped recording and didn't save the video. I've been having so many problems with that lately, so that's part of the reason why the format of these videos is about to change. So then I pull in a sticker from HT Planning's Tinsel kit, and then I bring in a picture of James and Ella, and I draw some hearts on the picture. Then I bring in another sticker from the Tinsel kit, and on that sticker I write down that I had reshot the Truly Yours digital planner walkthrough that day. In the original recording, I was just so exhausted, and you could hear it in my voice. I just didn't sound enthusiastic at all, and so I just felt like I really needed to redo it. So that's what I did that Monday. So then I merge some layers together, and then I bring in the Christmas morning kit from HT Planning, and I select one of those stickers, and on that sticker I write down that I had therapy at 8 a.m. on Tuesday morning. So then I bring in another sticker from the Christmas morning set, and I just love that sticker of the PJs. I just think it's so cute. And then I bring in a few more stickers from that same kit, and then I briefly hide those stickers. So then on this sticker, I write down that I released the Truly Yours planner on Tuesday. And that's the planner that I'm using in this video, so I will link to it and the video walkthrough in the video description. So then I size that a little bit and then place it in my Tuesday section. So then I bring in a picture of Maddox that I took that Tuesday, and then I merge several more layers together. So for Wednesday, I start using stickers from the Tinsel kit again, but in the meantime, I create this sticker to remind myself that I need to make our family Christmas shirts that Sunday. So I move that sticker over to Sunday, and then I write down that I was feeling happy on Wednesday. So then I bring in the Tinsel sticker kit again from HT Planning, and I select one of the decorative stickers, and then I crop the white edges off of the sticker because that particular set doesn't have a transparent background. So then I bring in a rectangle planner sticker stamp and make it a little transparent so you can see my handwriting a little bit better. And then I write down that I recorded a video that day. And the video that I recorded that day, teaches you how to create sticker stacks in Procreate. That has been a complete game changer for digital planning for me because I'm able to see all of my stickers at a glance, and it's very easy to just pull my sticker sets in to my calendars every week since I use Procreate for digital planning. So then I go back to the tinsel sticker set and I bring in that pink wreath sticker, and again I crop the white edges off and I place that just for decor because I didn't really have a lot to put for Wednesday. So then going back to Wednesday, I bring in one of my sticky note stickers that I will link to in the video description, and I write down that Ella was going through phase 2 of sleep regression. I thought it had been getting better, and then we just had a major setback that Wednesday where she just really does not want to sleep. She'll do everything that she possibly can to fight sleep. So on Thursday, I write down that I was feeling happy, and then I bring in the Christmas morning kit by HT Planning. So I select one of those stickers and I write down that my friend Mackenzie was coming that day. And then I go back to the Christmas morning sticker kit and I select another sticker just for decoration that day since I didn't have a lot to fill in. And then I select another sticker. And in that sticker, I write down that I learned how to use Instagram stories and highlights that day. That's something that has been around for a very long time, and I've never taken time to learn how to do it. I've never taken time to learn how to understand it, and I finally just made that a point because I like how the little icons look on Instagram profiles, but I could not figure out how to do it or what their purpose was, so I'm so glad I took time to figure that out. But now that I know how to do it, I haven't made time to release more than 2 Instagram stories and highlights. So, but at least I know how to do it now. So I'm still writing that, and then I merge a bunch of layers together and then place that sticker, and then I bring in a picture of Ella that I took that day where she's wearing a scuba mask. So on Friday, I write down that I was feeling tired. It had just been a really long night, and then I bring in the tinsel kit from HT Planning again. And I select one of those stickers, and then again, I crop the white area, and I place that, and then I bring in another transparent rectangle to place over the sticker. So on Friday, it was mine and James's 5th wedding anniversary. I can't believe we've been married for 5 years. So I wrote that down on that sticker, and I just kind of played around with my lettering a little bit for that sticker. And we were supposed to have a date night that night where my parents watched the kids, but that ended up not working out. So I bring in this sticker and I crop away the white area, and then I write on this sticker that we had to reschedule date night. So then I bring in a picture of Maddox that I took that Friday, and I love this picture, and I write the name Johnny Wheels on the picture because that's one of Maddox's many characters that he likes to do. And Johnny Wheels is a detective, and his catchphrase is, "I look for footprints." So I'm writing his catchphrase on the picture as well. So then I merge all of that together and then get that placed. And then I bring in another sticker from the tinsel kit. And my husband and I watched the movie The Spy Who Dumped Me that night. So I write that down and I place that at the bottom of the Friday box. So on Saturday, I was feeling tired, and then I bring in the Christmas morning sticker kit from HT Planning, and I bring in this bow sticker just to kind of fill in some space. So then I bring in a picture of Maddox that I took that day where he's just being his goofy self, and then I bring in another sticker from the Christmas morning kit, and I write down that I created planner stickers that day. So then I bring in a picture of the planner stickers, and I write down that I had a Facebook name contest. This was where I ran a contest in my Digital Planning and Paper Planning Unite Facebook group where people gave me name suggestions for this set, and then the name that I ended up going with, the person that came up with the name, I gave them the sticker set for free. And anyway, the sticker set is called Sitting Pretty, and I'll link to it in the video description. So on Sunday, I was feeling exhausted, and I bring in one of my reschedule stickers because I ended up not being able to make our family Christmas shirts that day, but I didn't have anything else to fill in for Sunday, so I just put a reschedule sticker over that. So then I bring in this really cute sticker from the tinsel kit, and I just place that at the bottom of the box for decor. And then I create my own sticker by drawing a rectangle and then filling that in pink. And then I write down that I spent 5 hours in the ER that day. I'm totally fine. I had been up all night the night before with chest pain and left arm pain, and it wouldn't go away, so I ended up going in and getting it checked out that morning, and it turned out to just be a pinched nerve, but it was just severe, excruciating pain. So then I save my image from Procreate and bring it into my planner in GoodNotes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more digital plan with me videos and digital planning tutorials. And check out my website, naptimealt.com, where there's tons of planner related freebies that you can download now.